Hello, everybody. I'm Mona, a part of research group for Bioactive. Actually, I'm guest PhD here. Today, I want to speak about anti-obesity effects of peptides and how they can work in our body as anti-obesity agents. Obesity is a global epidemic and bring a lot of problem for us, like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and many things else. In the world, according the latest data, American Samoa is the highest place for adult obesity. And this place for children is for NIOE, the children between 5 to 19 years old. Denmark has a good rank. It's 150 among 200 countries, but children in Denmark are not good as adults. We can find this bioactive in many sources like plant, marine, fish, or synthetic. Here you can see some example of them. For example, chia seed can inhibit metabolic enzyme, or fish skin collagen peptide can reduce fat accumulation. You can see egg white peptide, reduce organ weight, or D3 peptide, that is synthetic peptides, regulate body weight. But how we can produce them? They have two main way, de novo method, that is for synthetic, and conventional methods such as enzymatic chemical that we did it here. And how they work in our body. Actually, when this bioactive peptide go to our body, activate some pathway. And activation this some pathway increase adiponectin, that is a hormone that increase insulin sensitivity. And increasing adiponectin increase HSL and finally increase lipolysis. Next to this, bioactive peptide can inhibit some cofactor, enzyme, or protein, and finally they decrease lipid accumulation. All these together help anti-obesity peptide do their works in our body. But what we did? I work on algae, red algae, Palmaria palmata, and we studied about pancreatic lipase inhibition. Pancreatic lipase is an enzyme that breaks down the fat in our body and help the digestion. And when we can inhibition this enzyme in our body, we can control the fat and finally control the weight. We prepared different concentration, 2, 4, and 8 milligram per milliliter, and we tested in different pH. And finally, we found in pH 6 and pH 9 more than 50% inhibition of this enzyme. That is good. It's not rich, but it's good. Another enzyme that we tested, it was alpha amylase inhibition. Alpha amylase break down the carbohydrate to sugar and help the body for control blood, control insulin in our blood. We found it in pH 9, the highest rank, near 60% in 8 milligram per milliliter inhibition of this enzyme. Okay, this peptide not only make us fit, but also make us rich. Peptides show a strong potential in the market, especially as supplements or functional foods. In 2030, the market reached approximately $100 billion. But how? Hopefully it's from Denmark, and it's one of the best drug. Of course, it's not drive the food, but it's synthetic peptides and work in our body with helping to control appetite. And finally, I believe for having a good weight, it depends on what things we eat and what things we avoid. And I hope we understand which protein are good for our body and we choose them. Thank you.